Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can place an overlay on top of your videos in CapCut PC. So add in your overlay on top like so, and if it covers your video, you can just blend it. So go to videos, go to basic, go to blend mode. Here you have a lot of options. There's brighten, there's screen, there's darken, there's overlay, there's hard light, soft light, etc., etc. Select the one that you want to use. For this one, I'm just going to use the screen one. You can also change the opacity here. You can also add in like another kind of person, I guess, here, but just make sure you remove the background. Go to remove background and select auto removal, and you'll have your video there. Again, you can blend the video together like so. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!